date is the chrysalis in which events grow and undergo metamorphosis to become history. It was the first date, and it was just the beginning, an indication and a promise that many more would follow. It was the date of first felicitation ceremony to acknowledge and appreciate the success of effort put by first 65 village communities to make their villages open defecation free. An indoor stadium with a sitting capacity of around 2,000 was ready and shining. All inner walls were plastered with the photographs of community leaders of ODF villages. State Manager GSF NRMC Mr. Chandradhar gave the welcome note.
हमारे GSF प्रोग्राम मैनेजर मार्क मिनिस्टर भी थैंक करता हूँ और इस प्रोग्राम में सबसे पहले मैं स्वागत करता हूँ हमारे उपायुक्त महोदय का जिनका बहुत ही व्यस्त कार्यक्रम है और उसके भी बावजूद भी वो हमसे को समय भी दे पाए.
The reverberation of some 2,000 pairs of clapping hands was a loud confirmation of the acceptance of GSF initiative by communities of the district and their deep association with this project. Secretary Aident Mr. Virendra Kumar presented bouquet to the dignitaries on the stage. The enchanting girls of Rajpand village presented welcome songs in Hindi and Santhali language, and then the lamp was lighted by the dignitaries. The inauguration was followed by the experience sharing by the people of Amlaghari village about the journey of making their village ODF and the positive outcomes of this step. The mood of jubilation of this group was turned into melody as they sang a folk song in the local dialect Pahadia. This was a proud moment for Team GSF, Aident and the village communities to get a chance to interact with the willing partners of the administration and local self-governance who believe in the shared dream of community empowerment and bottom-up developmental approach in the realm of open defecation-free civilization.
ये कारवां अब चल चुका है.
The oratory brilliance of Mr. Sanjay Kumar, social scientist, Aident GSF team, was full in display, and the 2,000-strong participants of the event were basking in the radiating wisdom of esteemed speakers. A lot had been said, a lot of points worthy to be noted, to be quoted.
अभी उपस्थित वो 65 गांव के लोग, जैसा मुझे मालूम है, आपने इनको समझा है.
दिल्ली में शौच जाने की जो व्यवस्था है, उस आदत को बदलने के लिए एक बहुत ही अनूठा और नए तरीका का प्रयोग आइडेंट संस्था के माध्यम से दुमका जिला में झारखंड सरकार ने अनुमति प्रदान किया और उस प्रयास को इस संस्था ने बखूबी निभाया और लोगों के बीच में जाके उनको इस बात का एहसास कराया कि जो हम कर रहे हैं उसको अगर हम दूसरे तरीके से करेंगे तो हमारे जीवन में ज़्यादा स्वच्छता रहेगी और ज़्यादा हम लोग निरोगी रहेंगे.
स्वच्छता के प्रति हम बहुत पिछड़े हुए हैं. स्वच्छता मनुष्य को जीने का एक अपनी तरीका है. स्वच्छता के बिना जीना बेकार है.
यहाँ के ग्रामवासियों, मतलब जितने भी ग्रामवासी आए हुए हैं, आप लोगों से मैं यही निवेदन करूँगी कि हम लोग अगर इस तरह शौचालय का उपयोग करेंगे तो हम ही लोग के लिए फायदा है. हम ही लोग एक स्वच्छतापूर्ण जीवन व्यतीत करेंगे. और आप लोग याद रखें कि गंदगी बीमारी का जड़ है.
गाँव में भी नगाड़ा पिटवाए थे कि जो भी मेरे बाहर में स्त्री करेंगे, सब करेंगे, शौच करेंगे तो उनसे 100 रुपया जुर्माना दिया जाएगा. इसके बाद फिर राशन दुकान में भी ये चीज कर दिए थे, मैंने जो घर में नहीं बनाएंगे शौचालय उनको राशन उनका बंद किया जाएगा.
एडेंट के द्वारा भी काफ़ी पहल किया जा रहा है. मैंने भी एक दो गांव इनके साथ भ्रमण किया, वहाँ के लोगों से मिला भी। अपने स्तर से कम संसाधनों में, टूटे फूटे रूप में भी अगर अपने हैबिट में परिवर्तन लाए, अपनी आदत में बदलाव लाए हैं, तो कहीं न कहीं हमारी मंशा है कि हम भी अपने आप को, जो एक गलत परंपरा थी खुले में सोच का, उसको बदल सकें। ये अवधारणा बन रही है। उस गांव को देख करके जरूर लगा कि बदलाव आ रहा है।
65 गांव जिन्होंने शौच मुक्त किया है अपने आप को, उन सारे गांव के नाम वो पीछे पोस्टर्स पे लगे हैं। दूर से बैठे हुए पहले हमें लगता था कि ये सारा एक ही पोस्टर है, पर जब देखें तो हर एक पोस्टर के नीचे एक गांव का नाम है और ऊपर में लिखा है खुले से शौच मुक्त गांव। इस हिसाब से जितने भी 65 गांव हैं और 65 पोस्टर लगे हैं, तो ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि ये आज दुमका में, और ना सिर्फ दुमका में बल्कि हमारे देश में किसी भी राज्य में ऐसा मौका कम ही आता है कि जब इस पैमाने पे हम किसी शौच मुक्त गांव की सेलिब्रेशन या उसकी खुशी मनाते हैं।
सर्वप्रथम मैं ये संस्था की पूरी टीम को इसके लिए बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और आप सब उपस्थित तमाम महानुभावों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि समुदाय ने अपने बल पर, अपने से मिलकर इतने बड़े क्षेत्र में, इतनी बड़ी संख्या में अपनी स्थिति को परिवर्तित किया है, अपने पर्यावरण को शौच से मुक्त किया है और अपने जीवन की गुणवत्ता को बढ़ाया है। मूलतः स्वच्छता एक जेंडर इशू है, यह महिलाओं को ज़्यादा प्रभावित करता है।
And I'd like to direct them mostly at this side of the audience here, the women who I see in front of me. I think you're the most powerful and the important people in this room, and for us in the fight to improve sanitation in Jharkhand and in India. So I want to encourage you to continue to strive to educate and to learn for your own health, for the health of our children, and the dignity for everyone in this room, that we can spread this message of ODF and improve sanitation throughout the state.
After the address of dignitaries, community leaders of 65 ODF villages were presented a Man Patra, the certificate of appreciation. The energy of the participants was at high octane level. The pride of being in the league of extraordinary village was quite evident. The sense of accomplishment was no longer an intangible feel. That day it was as solid as word, as warm as a handshake, as expressive as calligraphic writing. The feel was being felt all around, and it surely was set to go much beyond the confines of the stadium. The next destination was Kusumdi village of Lakhikundi GP, Dumka Development Block. Kusumdi, a relatively big village of about 450 households and mixed demography, as about half of the population is Santhali and other half non-tribal. The community received the team with garlands and welcomed them in the village with drum beats and dance. The team would sit at a village chapal to interact with community. The superintending engineer assured the community to do the needful to fast-track the administrative provisions for making durable sanitation structures and also better water supply to the village. The team did a door-to-door visit in the village and checked their toilet structures made of indigenous materials, few hours of sweating and lots of concern. The enthusiasm and pride with which everyone in the village had shown their toilets sealed the fact that the structures of the toilets of Kusumdi might be weak. But the resolve to keep the village open defecation free is really strong. A green flag was hosted by M. Willis and community members to declare Kusumdi an ODF village. As per schedule, the community of Lakhikundi village was waiting for the team to get a chance to show their success in making their villages ODF and share their experiences. Lakikundi, a village situated at the edge of municipal area of Dumka town, is having majority of population of Islamic faith. On a day when whole village is busy with the preparation to observe Muharram, it was difficult for the visiting team to be the priority for the village community. But nevertheless, we were more than welcomed there. The sense of festivity acquired a new height to villagers in general and village youngsters in particular, when in the auspicious first month of Islamic tradition, so many guests from different parts of the country and even abroad dropped into the village. Every household of the village was visited and newly made toilets were checked by the team to the satisfaction level. Then a green flag symbolizing OTF village was hosted by community leaders and MVillage jointly. Now it was already late evening, engulfed in complete darkness, so the visiting team called it a day. The date ended. The date ended with promises of the communities of healthy sanitation practices and promises of district officials of better and durable assets creation. And we, the witnesses of this date, made a promise to believe in the power of people and rationality ever after.